Good day, everyone. I just want to give you an example of what I have to put up with every day here while living in the Philippines. Some things are very, very difficult to live with. Mostly living here is very beautiful, very nice, and very good. The people are friendly, most of them. And life is good. But there are some things that really try your patience. If you can put up with even 1 minute of these sounds, I applaud you, because it starts here at 5 o'clock in the morning and it goes right through until 8 o'clock at night. Sometimes all the way till 3 in the morning. Okay? So here's a little bit of what that sounds like.
Hello, boss. Boss.
Now, we're halfway through. Have you had enough of that yet? Well, here's another 30 seconds just for you.